Hey guys, today we're going to take a look at our new calendar update. This is an update to the existing calendar that we already had in the app platform. It does a lot more for you now. So this is what you see on your back office. You need to log into the app dashboard to see this, to get this view, and then you're able to add events just by clicking on the plus sign right here. You're also able to add recurring events right here. Okay, so every week, every month. Let's just quickly take a look at how you add an event. I've already added a couple of items here just so for this demonstration. You can see the title, description, you've got a date, you could have a thumbnail image, a header image. This is just not working right now, but it will be working by the time you guys use it. Start time, and from time, to time, so start and end. And then your address, just typing in your address populates the latitude and longitude, and you've got your map. You also have the ability to add notifications. So you can see this one has already been added. Hey guys, stop by this weekend for a summer flash sale, blah, blah, blah. It's going to go out by push and email. Okay, SMS, and then it's going to go a day before the event. So you can set up multiple notifications. So if you've got an event a month down the road, 3 months down the road, whatever, you can set up, every month, every week to send notifications to your customers to let them know the event is coming closer. So that's just set it up the one time, and the system takes over from there. Come over to the back to the calendar here, and the recurring events done exactly the same way. The only issue is, the only thing that you got extra is going to be weekly, monthly, or yearly, and then you pick the date of the week that you want it to fall on. Everything else is the same. Okay, so that's the recurring. And then over here, you're looking at the settings. This is the color scheme of the calendar inside of the app. Now we'll take a look at what it looks like inside your phone. So I'm going to click on this. We've got the events calendar, and you can see what we've got. So I've used the gray palette here with green background up here, but you can make this whatever you want. Really, really happy with the look and feel of it. You've also got a search button over here. Let's take a look at one of your events. When I click on the Saturday here, we've got two events on the Saturday. You've got the thumbnail image, you've got the description, the start time and end time. And when I click on this, I'm able to see again, the date, the address, as well as a map of where the location is. The header image is not there at this point, but it will be resolved in the next couple hours. Additionally, we've got this plus button here. This allows you to add this event into your device's calendar, which is a really cool thing. So if I hit the yes button here, it takes me to my calendar in my phone, and you can see I can add this directly into my calendar. Going back to the app, if you need this functionality, you need to get your app updated. This is a requirement because this is a native feature, but you'll need to get the app updated. If you don't need that functionality, you can use the calendar the way it is now, and then it's updated. Everything else is done. You don't need to update. But if you need to add the plus sign and having the ability to add events to your own device's calendar, then you would need to update your apps. Additionally, you can see that we're able to go month over month, and even go to the next year if necessary. You also have a search bar in here that enables you to search for certain events. And events are listed like this. If you've got multiple events on the same day, you'll have a listing like that. Okay, so that's a really cool feature, and really happy with the way things turned out. As always, thank you for watching. But before you go, we have a little menu over here as well. When you click on this, you will see upcoming events in chronological order. Okay, so this will list all of the events coming up. You would see past events. Okay, listed, clicking over here again. So really cool feature here. Again, you have a search bar that you're able to use as well. So thanks for watching, guys.